Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to set up Windows Server 2012 R2. Okay, let's go to VirtualBox machine, new, name of server Windows, this is the name of VirtualBox Windows Server 2012 R2. Choose the kind of Windows server, click next, 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 next. Size hard drive for the machine 100 GB. Choose string, insert the CD to CD room. Okay, round. Okay, choose this one. Okay, restart. It is a loading step. It's loading file from CD. Language for Windows. Okay, click next. Install. Choose kind of Windows Server. Server call and server with GUI is different between, like, server call don't have interface. We have to tap command line to set up something, but server with GUI, this kind of server have interface. We can set up by click on EE file or something. Okay, now I choose install Windows Server with GUI. Okay, click next. So next, I choose custom to modify the hard disk I want to set up. So I see it's only half of the whole hard drive. Y1200, Y1200. Okay, another space I choose all. So click here to store on this Hudson. Okay, click next. In this process, it's copying window file to the hard drive. It takes about half hour or 1 hour to copy the file to the hard drive. Okay, we wait altogether, wait until it is done. Don't do anything until it requires put password for administrator. Okay, wait further. Now only 1%. After 100%, the window will restart. Now it finishes installing feature and update. Nearly complete. It's almost finished. Windows will start to continue Windows setup. Don't do anything. Just wait. Just keep waiting until it allows us to type the password for administrator. Now we have to type the password for administrator for this server. It requires the complex password. Simple is I type 123 123 simple finish. It will the mistake require the password complexity. Okay, so I type the password the complete. Click finish. And press one. Choose the sky mode. And now it's 10. Now we already finished. Now try to log in. Give the password that we have set at the moment. Please remember that when we set up Windows Server or other window, we have to make sure that we set the controller name to the name of the server. We should set the controller name to the service of the server. For example, if we want to set up Windows Server 2012 as a domain controller, we should use DC, or if you want to set up it as file server, we should use controller name as a file server. Okay. Is IP address and controller name. So change. Now the server nature is important to set up service or remove some service from the server. Okay. After we log in, the server nature will start automatically. We can set up rules we add other server to manage, or we go to tool. We have managing on it. Okay, in this time I show you only how to set up Windows Server, and under video I will show you how to set up the server like domain controller, file server, or group VC. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is it's already complete. Okay, see you later. Bye.